Hills Farm. Welcome back to the channel. You can see I'm sitting in the skid steer, which I've just pulled in to the shop. And it's running pretty cold here. It's a very cold day, below zero. And the skid steer's got to come in here and warm up because it's service time. Certainly oil change. All right, you have to pull this back. Now they say you can just tilt. Looks like somebody's been nesting back here, so I'll definitely need to clean all that out. You just have to be a caveman. Somebody has been living there.
We have a mouse nest.
He's got grain storage over there.
Where's the little light? I want to see how many little babies come out of there.
There's the light.
Oops. Oh yeah, there's a little hole. I don't see anybody in there. I don't see any bodies. I think they probably moved on when it got cold.
All right. It comes. Oh, whew. Look at that. She slides right out of the way, but so this is the little door you open. Well, it's loose to get at the oil filter. There we go. All right, my hand's in the way, you probably can't see it. Oh my God, look at that. It actually came off, or loose. There, that wasn't bad at all. You guys know this. Now let's get him screwed back in there. I like using these 5-gallon pumps. I think it's a lot more economical way to get your oil. All right, that should be pretty full. Let's take a look. Put it down in the dipstick. There. The next thing I need to do is replace that fuel filter. I'm going to try to not spill any diesel fuel. We'll see how lucky I am. I put a grippier glove on. Different style of glove. Oops. Well, that's a little bit of spillage. So while that runs, I'm going to get out the grease gun and start completely greasing this thing. And then we'll start it and make sure that it runs okay before we put it back together. So it's a couple days later. Actually, it's a beautiful warm day, sunny, and with the oil change done and the fluids on the skid steer, it's a good day to get some of our spring work done. And today what we're doing is we're digging out a couple of hay feeders, you can see that have gotten drifted in with all this snow this winter. You can see how buried these feeders are in the snow. It just happens with time when you get this much snow in such a short amount of time. But I think the skid steer is the right tool to get in. You can see it's going through the soft snow pretty easy. It'll be interesting to see what happens when you get close to this hard packed stuff from where they've been eating and bedding. Warm weather and the steers feel like calves again. Still a little greasy for the skid steer here. We're doing a lot of sliding. We've got a chain here. Let's see if we can lift this feeder up out of the mud. A little more. A little more. Oh. That's good. Hold it. Eddie's pretty excited with all the activity out here.